Okay, before we get started on this one, I just want to have you look at these visuals up here. If you have a negative cosine, any negative amplitude for cosine, it will look more like a mountain. So when we have our three guidelines, make sure you draw it starting, one wave would start on the bottom line, go to the top, and then back down. It is the flip of a positive cosine x. Same thing with negative amplitudes or negative sine x. Still starts on the center line, but instead of going up, down, back to the center, it goes down, up, back to the center. So let's try this. Let's graph the first one here, number 1. First thing you do is pull out the CABD. C is 3. The amplitude is -2. Actually, amplitude's 2. I'm going to write the negative there just as another reminder to make sure that I draw the correct cosine graph. My B value is 1/5. And I had us cross that out, to be honest. If this is negative pi, then we make the opposite of that. That means my graph will start at pi. The period can be found by taking 2 pi and dividing it by b. My b value here is 1/5. 2 pi times 5/1 multiplied by the reciprocal is 10 pi. So if it starts at pi and ends 10 pi's later, it will end at 11 pi. So that's where it ends. Y and x-axis. Make sure I put my center line at 3. These are not asymptotes, they're just guidelines. Amplitude is 2. 2 up and 2 down from the center line. It starts at pi, which is positive, so I'll put it to the right side. It ends 10 pi's later at 11 pi. This is a cosine graph, and it is negative, so I must start on the bottom line, go up to the top, and back down, ends at the same spot. Obviously, the graph keeps going, but I'd like you just to highlight one wave. So these are negative graphs from equations. Thank you.